Good evening, everyone. In the previous class, we have started our discussion with string object, and we discussed about the basic features of strings. Then we have discussed up to string immutability and string concatenation and replication operations. Now, today I wanted to discuss the most important topic. I want every student should have a pen and book with you, please. Okay, we need to solve some problems. Clear? Now, initially, we will start our discussion with how membership operations will work with strings. Okay. In Python, there are two membership operations. First one is in and second one is not in. Okay. Both will return true or false. For example, let us look at here. I have a string called Python programming and I wanted to search for program. A program is a substring. It is called a substring. I wanted to check whether the substring is available in the big string or not. If it is available, in operation returns true. Okay. For example, if the substring is not available, the in operation returns false. Clear? Now, can you please tell me what will be the answer for here? Program. Do I have the substring in this big string? Can you please respond? Hello? True. This program, yeah, yes, it is true. It is available here. Now, let us take a program not in str1, not in. It is exactly opposite, false. Now, I will ask one question, please. I'll ask one question, please. Can you please answer me? Now, I wanted to check the program. Here, the program P is a lowercase in str1. Now, what will be the output? Program is lowercase. Here the program is available with uppercase, but uppercase is different and lowercase is different. So it returns false. Will you agree? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. Now just give me some example. Look at here. Python programming. Is it okay? Now program is going to return true. For example, if I want to check with small program, look at here, small program, it is returns false. Clear? Because Python is case sensitive. Hello?
One, sir, screen koncham pedda cheyara chinnaga.
Okay. Now?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Now, if I want to check the substring is not the part of this string. So in operation return false. Clear? Hello?
Yes.
Now, everyone kindly open your notebooks. Now, I want to discuss string slicing operation. If you are good in these 5 rules, you can do any program within less number of lines. Now, string slicing means I wanted to return the part of the string based on the expression. Now, here I have to follow some rules. The first rule is square root of n:(m). These 5 can be called as Panchasutras for us. That means I wanted to extract the data from nth character to mth character. Okay, na? Please. If I give within the square brackets n:(m), I wanted to extract the substring starting from nth character to mth character, but mth character will not be included. Is it okay? Rule number 1. Kindly note down along with me. Okay. Did you understand this one? If I want to extract nth character to mth character, I will use n:(m). In this case, m will not be included. Now, rule number 2, :n. Here we are not specifying starting character, so by default it will start with 0 to n. Slice starts at the beginning of the string. This is rule number 2. n:(, here ending character has not been given, so it slices starting from nth character up to end of the string. Now, rule number 4, :, here they have not given starting point and ending point, so it will take the total string. This is rule number 4. Rule number 5 is if first index is greater than second index of a string, which is going to return empty string. Now I will discuss some 10 to 15 examples if you permit me. Kindly note down these 5 rules. Then I will start a beautiful applications. Clear? Can you please respond?
Yes, sir.
Please do it. I will wait.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Shall we start some simple applications now by using these 5 rules? Yeah. Please look at here. Here I have taken a string. My string is Python programming. Okay, now? Now let me put it in the paintbrush and explain with explanations. Okay, now everyone, could you please do this like this? Can you please do like this? Python py thon, and the space will also be considered, and program program. Okay, now can you please do like this, everyone? PYTHON, space should be considered as one character, please. It is mandatory. PROGRAMMING. Okay, now forward indexing, go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space is 6, space is 6. Hello, 7, 8, 9. చెప్పమని క్లాస్లో ఉన్నానమ్మా, డిస్టర్బ్ చేయకమ్మా. క్లాస్లో ఉన్నానమ్మా. Okay. Now, sorry, just my daughter called. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Totally, there are 18 characters. If I go from left to right, my index start with 0 to n minus 1. Okay, na? 0 to n minus 1. Clear? Can you please respond? Now, if I ask 0:6, can you please tell me? Starting is 0, ending will be 6. So 6, this character will not be considered. Okay, 6th will not be included. So what are the characters I will take? Is it Python? PYTHON. Will you agree?
Yes.
Yeah. Now here, can you please respond for this 7:18?
Programming.
Hello? Yes, very good, very good. Starting from 7th to end, programming. Here we will get programming. Okay, na? Total programming. Now, rule number 2. Here, starting character has not been given, so you should take it as 0, 0 to 6. Same Python. Then 7th to end. Here we have not specified yet, so it will go till end. 7th to end. It is programming. Clear? Now, got it? Rule number 1, rule number 2, and rule number 3. Rule number 4 is we have not specified starting character and ending character, so it will take total Python programming. Clear? It is going to print total Python programming. Is it okay? Can you please respond? Now, final rule is if first index is 5, does first index is greater than second index? 5 is greater than 3? Will you agree?
Yes.
If first index is greater than second index, always which returns empty string. Okay, just it will return empty string. Okay, empty string means that like this, no, it's without any data. Now, can you please tell me 3:5? 3 is greater than 5. No. Okay, na? 3 is not greater than 5. So it is going to print third character is 0, 1, 2, 3. Is it H, O? Clear? But fifth will not be included. The output of this is HO. Will you agree? Now, shall we see the demonstration?
Yes.
Hello? Yeah. Look at here. 0:6 is Python. 7:18 is programming. :6 is Python. And 7 column is programming. And colon means starting to end, it is Python programming. 5:3 is empty. Empty, look at here. Then 3:5 is HO. Got it? Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. I think everyone is agree with these 5 rules.
Yes.
Yeah, please. Now, I'll give one more example, please. Now here I have taken a string Python. So can you please tell me what are the outputs of this one? Here 0 is P, 1 is Y, 2 is T. 1:4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, shall we do once again on Jupyter Notebook? Yeah. Could you please tell me what? No, just give me one more minute. Let me clear the screen. Yeah. Now you have to say the output of this one: P, Y, T, H, O, N. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer me 1:4. Is it YTH? Yes, 1:4 means YTH. YTH. Then 1:4:1. This is called as increment. After here, if I want to go next place, I will increment 1. By default, if I don't take this third one, by default it will take it as 1. For example, 1:4:2. First is starting with Y. Then I will not take next one. I will increment 2. Then H, YH. Got it? 1:4:2 means YH. Is it okay?
Yes.
Now, here ::2, that is starting and ending not given, but increment is 2. Starting is P, ending Y will not be considered. Then the next character is T, H will not be considered. Then O. That's it. PTO. Is it ::2? Will you agree?
Yes.
Yeah. Now let me demonstrate them. Look at here. String yes. 1:4 is YTH. Same 1:4:YT is YTH. 1:4:2 is YH. That's it. YH. Then ::2 PTO. Got it? Everyone, please respond.
Yes.
Yeah. Next one is now. This is the most important, Andy. Most important, please. I will first of all I will try with 1 colon. Okay. Then I will start with 2 colon and 3 colon. I think everyone, could you please take it as most important concept of this topic, today's topic, please. Shall I go?
Yes.
Now, if you do these 4, directly you can write any code. 4 lines or 5 lines code you can write in single line, Andy. Okay. That's what this much logic these 4 consisting of. Now, let me print them. Now, let me take a paintbrush. File new. Yeah. Now, initially, once again, let me take P, Y, T, H, O, N. Now, let me do from both ends. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now this is forward indexing. Forward indexing. then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is backward indexing, backward. Now, what is the answer? :1. :1 means 0 to 1. Here 1 will not be considered. So it is P. Will you agree?
Yes.
Then 1 colon from 1 till end. Is it Python? Please note down as it is. This is most important concept of today's class, and you will use regularly in the programming. Then if both are okay, I'll go for a little bit complex and other one. Shall I go? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next one is S of :1. :1. Here, I have to start with here. I need to take all the data except last one, except -1. Can you please tell me what is the output? Is it P, Y, T, H, O?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, next one is -1 colon, starting from -1 to end. That's it. That is N. Got it?
Yes.
Now, can you please answer me? -1 colon -2. Think twice and tell me the answer. -1 colon -2. Does -1 is greater than -2 or not?
Yes.
-1 is greater than -2. So it is null. Okay, now? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Now,
Yes.
1 colon 2. 1 colon 2 means only Y. 1 is greater than 2, na? No. So it is Y. Now, let us discuss and demonstrate one by one. 1 colon 1 means P. 1 colon means Python. Colon -1 means except N, all other characters. Now, -1 colon means N. -1 colon -2 means null. Then 1 colon 2 means only P. Sorry, Y. Why it is Y? Once again, it is yes, it is Y. 1 colon 2. 1 will be considered, 2 will not consider. Okay, na? Can you please respond?
Yes.
Now, instead of 1, can you take 2 here? Yeah. Then please put them in your notebook and tell me, please. Yes, of. I will do all them in single one. Print of gamma S of colon 1 comma S of 1 colon comma S of colon -1 comma S of -1 colon. Got the data? Okay, na? S of colon 1 means P. S of 1 colon means Python. S of colon -1 means PYTHO. S of -1 colon means N. Got it?
Yes.
Now, I need an answer for this. S of colon 2, and please note down, do in your notebook and tell me the final answer. Please. I need the final answer for this. Think twice and tell me. Can you please tell me the outcome?
PY
Colon 2. PY, very good. 2 colon.
THON
Very good. Colon minus
PY
2.
PYTH
That's it. Minus 2 colon. Is it ON?
PYTHO
Why? Please, Andy. Minus 2 colon.
minus 2 colon
ON, na? ON.
okay oh yeah
Why we have to do minus 2? Because now let me clear just a minute, Andy. Let me just clear this. Now, if you want to take minus 2 from here, okay, from this position, you have to take the entire thing, okay, na? Now, so we will take ON, okay, na?
yes sir.
Here. So the answer is ON. Now, if you know these 4 slicing rules, you can do very good programming, okay, na? These are best and practice as many as possible examples, okay? Now let me just give me 1 minute, Andy. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Shall we continue? Just give me 1 minute. You should people. Hello. Sorry, Andy. Sorry for disturbing. Hello.
No problem.
Yeah, sorry, Andy. There is a small institute call. Okay.
Yeah,
Shall I
no problem.
continue? Yeah, please,
Yes sir.
please, Andy. Yeah. Shall I start, Andy? I think all these 5 rules are clear for everyone.
Yes.
Now, yeah. Now we will start some sort of programming. Okay. Now there is a function bit. Now let me do some functions. Now length is a function which will tell how many number of characters in a given string. As we already know that we had done some programming. These are 18 characters, starting from 0 to 17. Clear? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Now then next one is String traversal will do that. Now, after length function, we will use regularly count function. Okay, count function returns the number of occurrences of a substring in a given string. For example, let us take that means here I will take a big string. Python is an interpreted language, and I wanted to search whether this character or string, how many number of times it is repeated. Count function always returns the number of occurrences, the substring consisting of count of I. I how many times repeated? 1, 2. That's it. It is repeated for 2 times. Okay, now. What is the difference between length and count function? Length will tell you the total number of characters in a given string. Okay, na? The length will give me total number of characters in a given string. Whereas count function will give me, okay, count function will, sorry, just give me 1 minute. Count function will give me whether this substring, how many number of times which is repeated in a given string. Okay, na? Hello? Hello? Can you please respond?
Yes, yes.
Now now there is another concept, please. Now just give me 1 minute. Now here count also has another syntax. Okay, I wanted to search for a string starting, yes, 7 is the starting character and 20 is the ending character. This is end, this is start. Okay, clear? So I wanted to search for I starting from 7th position to 20th position. So still it is 2. Now let me demonstrate them. You will get some knowledge about it if I demonstrate it. These programs I will discuss in 2 minutes, please. Now look at here, length of a string. Length of Python programming is 18. Then next one is count function. Now how many number of times this I has been appear? I appear in 2 times in this given string, and this is a starting position to ending position, and I wanted to search for is how many number of times it is appear. It is 1. Clear? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we will do some application programs. Whatever we have learned today, we will apply on them some applications, please. Okay, now? Now I want you to kindly understand carefully. I wanted to write a function to slice first 2 strings and last 2 strings from a given string. Okay, na? I wanted to write a function that should slice first 2 strings and last 2 characters of a given string. First 2 characters and last 2 characters. So you have already learned what is the meaning of :2, str of :2. Str of :2 means it is going to take first 2 characters. Is it okay? Will you agree?
Yes.
Now, how to get last 2 characters? Is it str of -2 : so
Yes.
how to get ng? That is what str of -2 : now whenever I call this function, I'm sending actual argument called Python programming into a variable called str. For example, if the length of the string is less than 2, I'll send an error message which contains less than 2 characters. So I cannot do this application. If my data is more than 2 characters, I'm returning first 2 characters plus is called a concatenation operation, and it is concatenating with last 2 characters. So it will print py plus ng. Okay, na? If I want to give space between them, I should do like this. Just got it? Here I have inserted a manual space between them. Clear? This is a manual space. Plus operator is used for concatenation. Clear? Got it?
Yes.
Now, for example, if I want to get one string only, so here I passed this program, I can write in a different way. For example, if I want to take first character only, n equal to 1. So now we are replacing with a number with a variable. So it is going to take a p with n, p with g. If you want to get a space here, do like this. That's it. Okay, now?
Yes.
Yeah. Any doubts in this program? Can you please respond?
No, sir.
Now, shall I go for a little bit complex program?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, look at the problem statement and write a function to add a ing at the end of a given string. Okay. Now, we have to write a function that should add ing at a given string. Then, second condition is if the given string is already ends with ing, I should write ly instead of that. If the given string already ends with ing, I should write ly. Third condition is if the given length of the string is less than or equal to 2 characters, I should not change it. Okay. Hello. Did you
Yes.
understand this? Now, if you understand this test, shall I go for application? Now, my function name is, now there are 3 cases, please. Remember carefully, in technical examinations, if you go for data science or application, they will give you some test cases. Now, first test case is AB. If my given string consisting of less than 2 characters, it is unchanged. Okay? Are you getting me? Unchanged means if I call a function, the same data will get printed. Is it okay? Now, second data is function with ABC. If my data is not ending with ABC, it should end with ABC. What is third condition? If my function is ending with ing, I should add ly. The three conditions are met or not? Hello? Please answer me.
Yes.
Now, let me write a function for that. Now, what is my function name? Add underscore string, and the string I'm sending from actual argument. Okay. Now, initially I have calculated length of the given string. Here the length is 2. Here the length is 3. Length is 5. Now, if the length is greater than 2, then I'm writing one more condition. If str of -3 colon, what is the meaning of -3 colon? If the string is ending with ing, what is the -3 colon? Last 3 characters is it ing? Then for that I'm concatenating ly. Okay, na? Can you please respond?
Yes.
If the string is not ending with ing, I'm concatenating ing. If these two cases are not satisfied, if the length is greater than 2, I will return same string str1. That's it. My job is done. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Now, I think if you know slicing, can we do any application? Here I'm using slicing only. Will you agree?
Yeah.
Now, in the previous application also we used slicing only. Now, I'll ask some questions, please. Can you answer me these questions one by one? Write a program that asks the user to enter a string of at least 6 characters, then print out the following. What he is asking? He is asking enter 6 characters. Okay, na? Then he is asking to answer all these questions. Shall we do one by one?
Yes.
Now, how to take the 6 characters using input function? Okay, let us take A, B, C, D, E, F. Is it 6 characters? Can you please respond? Hello?
Yes.
Now, what is the first question? Length. How to calculate length of the data? I have simple function called length of s. Clear? This everyone know. Hello?
Yes.
Then, first let me print this output. Then, what second question? The second character of a string is how to take the second character? Is it s of 1? S of 0 is first character. S of 1 is second character. Is it okay? Hello? S of 1 is B. Is it okay? B. Now, what is third code? The last character of a string. How to get last character? Is it S of -1? Either -1 or colon of -1. Both are valid. Now, I also do this, and let me test it. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Either you do colon -1 or you do -1. Are you getting me? Both are same. Hello?
Yes.
Are you getting me?
Yes. Yes.
Then, oh, wait. Why it is, yes, it is, sorry. Colon -1 means it is -1 colon, na? Hello?
It's one colon. Yes.
What he is asking in the question, he is asking to print last character, but it is -1 colon. If I run with -1 colon, then what it is giving me? A, B, C, D, E, F. It should give F, na? Yes, now I got it. That is -1 colon. Dinakar, you said yes. Please check it once again. Whatever things are coming from my mouth, they are not 100% correct, because there is a, I have not seen this logic. Okay, na? Now it is correct. Now,
So
first 5 characters of a string, that everyone know first 5, that is S of 0 colon 5. That means 0th character, first character, second character, third character, fourth character. Okay, 5 will not be included. Is it okay? Hello?
yes.
Yeah. Next one is last 2 characters. Is it S of -2 colon?
Yes.
Then next one is string with backwards. Yes, this is the most question, and I may not explain, but I think I'm going to explain this question at the end of this point. Please just give me 1 minute. Yeah, here I wanted to explain this reverse of a string. Look at here, entire string will get reversed, but here he explained in this question only. I have taken this question from the internet somewhere. How to get last character backwards? So colon -1. So it is going to read from right to left. Is it okay? Look at here. F, E, D, C, B, A. From right to left, if you return A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the most important question they may ask. They may ask in the interviews. How to reverse a given sequence? You have to say that colon -1. That's it. Okay, na?
Yes.
Now I wanted to print all the characters except last. So it is S of colon -1. So A, B, C, D, E, F is not created. So is it colon -1?
Yes.
Now, next question is all characters except first and last. Except first and last. Here I am starting with 1 and I am saying that don't take -1. Okay, na? So it is B, C, D, E. Okay, na? Got it, na?
Yeah.
Now, by looking, it is simple, but you have to practice them on the notebooks. Okay, na? Jupyter notebooks. Now,
Yes.
yeah, just now let me go to other functions. Now, yes, most important, Andy, we need to discuss about 2 functions. How to split a given string and how to join a given string. Okay, exactly these 2 are opposite for function. Now, split is a function which returns a list of all words in the string using str as separator. Now, here, for example, if I take Python is an interpreted language, wherever there is a space, it is going to divide that as a separate word. Now, split, sometimes it has an argument called str, where str is a separator. If not specified, it will take white spaces. White spaces, nothing but space. Okay, na? Now, it is going to create a list of strings. List of strings, comma, one more string, comma, one more string. Is it okay? Shall we showcase it? Here we have given comma separator. Wherever there is a comma, it is going to separate a list of strings. Now let me showcase. This is the most important example. How to split a given string. Give me 1 minute, Andy. Let me go for split function. Look at here now. Now here, if you split it, what is happening? It is giving list of strings. Actually, the list concept we'll see in the next class. Okay, now? Hello?
Yes.
Now, here, instead of if I give comma, in the given text, wherever there is a comma, it is going to divide as separate string. Okay, now? Look at here. Now, I'll ask one question. My question is, I have a split function, but I have given separator as comma, but this separator is not available here. Then what will happen? Just can you guess? Can you guess? Actually speaking, if I don't give this comma, I have given there is a space, there will be a split. But I have given a split as comma, but the split comma is not available in given string. So what will happen? It will take the entire string as same. Look at here. It is going to take this entire string as a single unit. Okay, na? Will you agree?
Yes.
Now let us go for opposite of split function. Okay, let us go for opposite of split function called join. Now, if I want to join two or more strings, now here join operation has an argument called iterable. What can be called as iterable in Python? Okay, which is going to join a list of strings using object by calling string as separator. Now, what is the meaning of iterable? List is a iterable, tuple is a iterable, string is a iterable, dictionary is a iterable, set is an iterable. All these things are called as data structures of Python. Now, here I am taking two strings. String 1 consisting of Pythonese, string 2 consisting of a programming language. Now, if I want to join them, what I am using dot join of str1 comma str2. Now, these two strings are joined, and here I am concatenating with a string. Okay, now let me demonstrate with a simple application. Yeah, where is a split? 1 minute and joining. Look at here. Python is one string, str2 is another string, and I'm joining it. Okay, now here I have not given any space between them. Still, it will work. Python is a programming language. Join operation has to be accessed with a string because this is a string dot. Okay, now I can use two strings, I can use two lists, I can use two dictionaries, I can use two sets. Anything I can join. Okay, now by using join operation. Hello.
Yes.
Now, shall we go for other applications? Now, the next one is find function, and this is most important for interview purpose. What the find will do, it will, now let me take a big string. This is a big string. Okay, this is a big string. Now, I will take a substring, part of a string. Whether this part of a substring, is it a part of the string or not? If it is available, it is going to take the first occurrence only. Okay, now look at here. Find method returns the index of the first occurrence of the substring. If this substring is not available here, it returns -1. Okay, now let us look at here. Find is a function. This is a substring, and it returns integer function. Now look at here. str find of I. That means I wanted to search for I. I is available in 7th position. Is it okay? Now there is another function called rfind. Rfind will search from right to left. So now I can also specify starting position and ending position. Rfind of I means it is going to check where it is exactly I is available. That position will be printed here. Now this has to be demonstrated. Okay, please. This has to be demonstrated. Please look at here. Find function. Find of I. Yes, I know that it is in 7th position. Rfind of I. Now right to left it will check. Yes, here it will be I is available. Here it is going to give us 20. From here with which character we have the given substring at 20th position. Okay, na? Find means always goes from left to right. R find will go from left to right to left. Clear? Hello. For example, if the substring is not available in the given string, which is going to return as -1. Will you agree? Hello.
సార్ ఇది ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఫైండ్ ఐ అని ఉంది కదా, సెవెంత్ అన్నారు కదా, అంటే అక్కడ మామూలుగా స్పేస్ కౌంట్ తీసుకోదా అయితే?
స్పేస్ కూడా తీసుకోవాలని చెప్పానండి, తెలుగులోనే 100 సార్లు చెప్పాను మీకు. స్పేస్ షుడ్ బి కన్సిడర్డ్. మీకు చాలా సార్లు ఇందాక మీకు పెయింట్ బ్రష్ లో వేసి కూడా చెప్పాను. ఇక్కడ స్పేస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు స్పేస్ షుడ్ బి కన్సిడర్డ్ యాజ్ 6. నెక్స్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ విల్ బి 7. క్లియర్?
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే.
చాలా సార్లు చెప్పాను, మీరు బేసిక్స్ మర్చిపోకూడదండి, ఎందుకంటే ఇవి తెలిస్తేనే మనం తర్వాత ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ బాగా చేయగలం.
నేను 1 నుంచి చేసుకుంటాను, 0 నుంచి చేసుకోవాలి.
లేదండి, 0 నుంచి చేసుకున్న స్పేస్ ని కూడా మనం కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే ఓకే, అర్థం, మర్చిపోయాను.
Next one, there is another function opposite of find function, that is called as index. Index is also do the same thing what done by find function, but for example, if this substring is not available, which returns exception here, whereas in the find function, if the substring is not available, which returns -1. Okay na? Now will you prefer index or will you prefer find function? Because if you use index function, if the substring is not available, which raises exception, runtime error, it is better to use find function instead of index. Is it okay? Shall we demonstrate it?
Yes.
Now let us look at here. I wanted to search for P. Yes, it is available in 0th character. And I wanted to search for free P starting from 10th character to 20th character. At what position it have? 12th position. Are you getting me? Starting from 10th position to 20th. I want search for Z. Still it is not available here. So it is going to generate exception. Yes. What kind of exception to generate? Value error exception. Please note down this exception. Okay, na? Got it?
Yes.
Now, next function, index completed, then very good. Next one is there are two functions, they are used specifically for data pre-processing functions. Okay, the first one is alpha. Alpha means capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, and if my data consisting of either capital A to capital Z or small a to small z, which returns true. Okay na? Which returns true if all the characters in the strings are alphabet. If it is not alphabet, which returns false. Second one is each digit, that takes only data from 0 to 9. Okay na? Now shall I write a small application with this? Write a function which accepts sentence and finds number of letters and number of digits in a given sentence. Shall I go?
Yes.
Now let me take this in Jupyter notebook. This application in a Jupyter notebook. Look at here. Input, enter the string. I'll take this is Python, Python 2022. Okay na? Now how many characters are there here? Totally we have 6 letters and 4 digits. How we got this logic? Yes. Now let me take a print screen and put it in the logic here. Here I'll explain. Are you getting me? For example, let us take Python Python 4 characters I will take and 4 digits I will take 2022. Now first of all, I have taken digits equal to 0 and I have taken letters equal to 0. Initially there are no digits and no letters. Na? I have taken yes. This is yes. Now For C in yes, do I have any characters in the sequence? Yes. So in operation returns true, the first character P will be copied to yes. If C dot is a digit or not? Yes. Is a digit or not? It is not a digit, it is alphabet. So it will go to elif block. It is going to increment L plus 1. That means L will be incremented 1. Then second character Y will be copied to C. Is it digit? No, it is alphabet. So L will be incremented 2. Like this, the next two characters also L, 3, 4. The next character is 2 will be copied to C. If C dot is a digit, yes, 2 is a digit. Now D will be incremented 1 for 2, 3, 4. Now, if I don't give anything, it will go for else block, and finally it is going to simply print pass. Pass means it will not be execute, it will not execute it. Okay, now? Sorry, look at logic. And X. Is it okay? Can you please respond?
Yes, sir.
Now, finally, we are reaching mostly the end of string functions. Yeah. Next one is a replace function. Replace function is used to replace old string with a new string. Okay, now Python is an interpreted language. I want to replace small I with capital I. I want to replace an with a. Okay, now this an will go and a will come. This I will go, this capital I will come. Shall we demonstrate it? Replace function. Hello. Now look at here. Replace function. I want to replace small I with capital I. I want to replace an with a. That's it. No more logic in that. Okay, now. Hello.
Yeah.
Now, next function is strip function. That's very, very important and used in string pre-processing. Okay, na? Strip is a function which removes spaces at the beginning and at the end. Look at here, I have taken spaces at the beginning, at the end. If I want to remove this, there is a function called, I can use L strip and R strip. L strip is used to take left side spaces. R strip is used to take right space. If I use only strip, it will remove both left side spaces as well as right spaces. Will you agree? Shall we do it in now? Let me demonstrate in a Jupyter notebook. Yes, look at here. Strip is a function which removes left side spaces as well as right side spaces. Clear? Got it? Hello?
Yes.
Now here I have some unwanted, I have added some ampersands before and end. Here look at here, strip of ampersand means it removes this ampersand, put spaces. Then if I want to remove the spaces, I will put it. Look at here, my entire job is done. Strip of ampersand means which removes ampersand. Then I want to remove the spaces also. I will use a strip function. Got it? Hello?
Yes.
Now, finally, the next slide is first one is a starts with ends with function. They are used for data pre-processing function. Starts with returns true if a string starts with a specified prefix, else false. Same thing ends with but it is in opposite direction. Now let me demonstrate it in Jupyter notebooks. Now look at here. If my string is it starting with this substring or not? If it is starting with this substring, returns true. Now, if this string starting with substring, it is written false. Why it is now false? Because here I have capital Python, but I'm searching for smaller Python. Is it okay? That is false. Okay, now. Hello.
Yes.
Now, with this, I wanted to stop the string session. You kindly practice. There are more other programs I have given to practice in that same Jupyter notebook. You kindly practice. If you have any doubts, I will be answerable for, and kindly put it in the WhatsApp group. I will answer them. Okay, na?